In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly install Apache on Windows 10, and I'll show you how it runs as a service and how to check if it's working. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just go to Google and search for Apache and go to the httpd apache.org. This is where you can find a lot of the Linux distributions, but if you want to find the Windows one, click on Downloads, and then it says Apache for Microsoft Windows is available from a number of third-party vendors here. So you click on that. I like to use Apache Lounge, but you could use some other ones if you wanted. I'm not sure how secure they are in comparison. I've used Apache Lounge for my own projects and for work. So when you come here, you'll see Apache 2.4.46 for Windows 64-bit. Go ahead and download that zip file. Once the zip file is finished downloading, just click on the zip file in your downloads and unzip it to wherever you'd like. I would suggest unzipping it to the C drive. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip these. And I'm going to put them in right here in my C drive just so I can find it easily. If it asks you if you need administrative privileges, just click yes. And now that it's in your C drive, you can go into the Apache 24 service, or folder rather, and then there will be a bin file. So you click in bin, and what you're going to want to do is install this httpd. This is what is actually going to run Apache. So to do that, go to your start menu. Type CMD for command prompt, or you could type command prompt, and right click it and click run as administrator, and click yes if it asks you for permission. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to change directory to this. So just click in this window here at the right of all the text, and if you need to, select it all with Control A and just copy it, and you can paste it in here. But first scroll over to the left with your arrow keys, press CD, put a space, so change directory to that. So now we're in this directory, you can see it changed there. We're gonna do httpd-k install and press enter. And if it asks you to allow access, this is just like asking Windows if you want to let it through the firewall and stuff like that. Click allow access. And once that's done, what that just did is it installed Apache as a service. If you go to your Windows services, just type in services in the search bar. You'll see here's Apache. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to click start service. And now it says it's running. So you could stop or restart it here if you need to. And to check if it's running, what you can do is you can go to 127.0.0.1 and it says it works. So normally if you went to this IP address, it wouldn't have anything here. But what Apache is doing is it's running this locally on your computer. So like right now it's just local and it's not connecting out to the internet. To connect it out to the internet, there's some other steps I'll show in follow-up videos, but for this video, just how to install it, that is just the first step, and I'll make some follow-up tutorials. And then additionally, if you have any errors, you can find that in the logs folder here, and then this will send out errors. It'll also show you messages about things that happened, like just typical log notes like starting Apache. And if you're curious about where this it works comes from, this is like where you would write your web code. That would be inside of htdocs here. So in htdocs, you're going to have this index file. And if you just edit this with Notepad, or even better if you have like Notepad++ or some kind of editor, that works well too. You can see here's the HTML code. So you got the text that's showing it works on the web page here. And it's got HTML tags, body, h1. You can see that if you inspect this. So you just right click and click inspect. So you got HTML, head, body, it works. And if you'd like to change the code here, you would just type in stuff, save it, refresh the page, and that should get y'all started. In the next videos, I'll make some tutorials about installing PHP, installing modules, and how to add stuff to this directory. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, if you could click the like button, it'll help other people find this video, and subscribe for more videos like this. I appreciate y'all watching, and I hope this helped.